In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Uber Cash to pay for rides. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Uber Cash balance to pay for any future rides or orders that you make through Uber Eats is an extremely simple process. All that you have to do is make sure that you have balance on your account, and you can check this by going over to your account page and then tapping Payment or Wallet. Inside of the Payment or the Wallet window, you will find your Uber Cash balance. You can add more funds if necessary, but for the most part, as long as you have funds attributed to your account, using them is extremely simple. Go back to the home screen and you can start the process of making any rides or orders. When you reach checkout and you have to choose the payment method as you can see on screen, all that you have to do is toggle the option to use Uber Cash or Uber credits. As you can see, it is a little toggle, and as long as you leave the toggle on, the amount used first will come from your Uber Cash, and the remaining, if applicable, will come from the secondary payment method that you choose. So that's all you have to do. Like I said, as long as your balance is loaded up and you have enough to either cover the entirety of the ride or the order, or at least partially, you will be able to toggle this option on and start using your Uber balance. Just make sure that you do this process through the latest version of the app and that your account is properly filled with Uber Cash. If you encounter any problems while trying to do this, double check to see if you toggled the Uber credits or Uber Cash option on and go over to your payment window or wallet to see if your wallet is properly loaded up with balance. If for some reason you cannot use your Uber Cash, double check your secondary payment method and make sure that it is valid and legitimate as well. Because like I said, if your Uber Cash cannot cover the full price of the ride or the order, the secondary payment method will be used instead. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Uber Cash to pay for rides. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.